Hi guys, so something arrived in the mail today. Let's quickly have a look. I've cut this open because I'll be using one hand to pretty much open this. Yeah, let's keep this side. Viaterra. Oh, look at this. Love the detail. It's nice. Viaterra grid. There we go. I love the detail in the box. Okay. Silica gel. The main item itself. Wait. Let's see something. More silica gel. Viaterra stickers. I love that One Life to Travel is separate from Viaterra, so the branding need not be with this quote, which is awesome. Okay, we'll keep this here, and the last piece. A thank you note. Awesome. Care instructions, key things to keep in mind when trying out new gloves. Okay, all the details here. Anyway, let's keep this aside, even this aside, and look at this. Come on, I can do it. You think I can do it? Yes, I can do it. Okay, use this side to pull it out. Keep this aside, there's nothing else in the plastic. And here we go. Some paper, some knocks. Explaining what exactly happens. There we go. Eliminates the grab effect. The knuckle guard has a matte texture to it. Not very shiny. Ventilation up front. I don't think these are reflectives. The pinky finger is bridged to your ring finger. Super cool. And that is another branding there. Nice. Okay, I think I can take it out. There we go. Knox armors. These are supposed to be touch sensitive leather for your phone. So that you can use your phone easily. Okay, apart from the Knox armors, there's a small armor here for your, I don't know, for your joint. Okay, let me try the other one. The leather is really soft. Viaterra written here. I mean, I should not be doing this, but why not? Come on, I can do it. I hope nothing goes bad. The quality of the, what do you call it? What do you call this? Velcro. The quality of Velcro is pretty good. Yeah, Velcro. Come on, I forgot that word. Okay, single-handed wearing gloves. It's supposed to be. I can do it. Okay, not the best way to wear your gloves, but. And yep, perfect fit. Accordion panels here everywhere. Every stretch panel is accordion, perforated so that there's some ventilation. Yep, the tip of the fingers are perforated as well. Yep, there we go. Nice place for grip. Red stitching looks very cool. Anyway guys, so these are the Viaterra grit gloves. Thank you for watching. Do share and subscribe. Bye bye.